I'm installing a new Glacier Bay toilet. This toilet cost $99 plus tax. It was on sale at Home Depot. First, turn off the water supply. Next, drain out all the water in the tank. I used a syringe to get every drop out of the tank. Next, I used the syringe to get the water out of the bowl. I had to use vice grips to hold the bolt to get the nut off. Now the toilet is out. It was all rusted underneath, as you can see. It all came out with the toilet, including the flange. Cleaning up the area, these were the measurements on mine. It may be different on yours. Yours may be bigger. I had to punch out some of the old rusted bolts that were in the concrete. Test fit the new flange before you install it to make sure it fits properly. The area is now all cleaned up and ready for the reinstall. This is the distance from my wall to the center. These are some of the tools needed. I used a 30 torque and a concrete bit, along with concrete bolts. When installing the flange, the rubber can be pushed up and down to make a tighter fit. This is the new style wax ring. Here I am drilling out the concrete with the concrete bit. Here I am drilling in the concrete screw. I am installing the new flex line. Put the plastic on the bolt and run it all the way down to where you have enough to tighten up on the flange. Here I am installing the new wax gasket, which is also rubber on top. Discard this paper that was underneath the wax gasket before installing. I did not use this seal because it was not needed. Before installing the tank, turn it upside down and install the rubber seal on it. Be sure to tighten these plastic nuts and screws up on the lid. Now it's time to fill with water. Test for all leaks. My install is complete at this time. My total cost for the toilet was around $150, including supplies. Give me a like, subscribe, and again, thanks for watching.